A psychiatrist has told a Melbourne court the man who threw his daughter off the Westgate Bridge was probably psychotic at the time. Key defence witness Professor Graham Burrows emphatically rejected the suggestion that Arthur Freeman was trying to get back at his ex-wife. He believes he was suffering from severe depression.
Eminent Professor Graham Burrows is the defence's only witness and believes Arthur Freeman had a major depressive disorder when he threw his 4-year-old off the Westgate Bridge. He said Freeman was in a state of dissociation, as if sleepwalking or hypnotised, and didn't really know what he was doing. But he said it was a fluctuating illness, which meant he was still able to get his children ready for school, negotiate safely through peak hour traffic, carry out phone conversations, and put his hazard lights on when he parked on the bridge, all before he dropped the little girl over the railings. Professor Burrows admitted he only met Arthur Freeman 13 months after the event, but he thinks he was probably psychotic. He still doesn't believe that it occurred. He still doesn't believe that he could have done it, he said. Prosecutor Gavin Silbert called the professor a psychiatrist of last resort.
Mr. Silbert said 4 different psychiatrists saw Arthur Freeman before he was assessed by Professor Burrows, and none of them diagnosed him as psychotic.
Under heated questioning, Professor Burrows rejected Freeman killed his daughter in an act of spousal revenge, despite his angry calls to his ex-wife telling her to say goodbye to her children. The Crown argued not all men who kill their children are mad, but Professor Burrows maintains Freeman was disturbed and very sick. The trial continues. Sarah Farnsworth, ABC News, Melbourne.